Alright, so here I have my lightsaber that I built, and this lightsaber has electronics that I added. That's a Profi board. You got one switch there. That part was 3D printed. This is a metal chassis, by the way, and that's a battery, and right here is the switch. So I'm gonna hit the switch right now. I'm trying to do this with one hand, sorry. So I'm gonna hit the switch, and you can see the speaker and the light goes on. So once I hit the button right here, it activates the lightsaber. Alright, and that's how I built it. And if you guys want to know how I built it, like and subscribe to the video, and I'll make videos on building these lightsabers and the parts that it took and the cost of the whole build. Alright, see you guys.